I'm not going to use bottled water, it's far too expensive. So the next best thing is to use a filter system. When we put the project for here together, it took 6 months. And I used to go around the corner at Cinnamon So. I like fizzy water, so I did ask the manager down there, sparkling water. And he says Eau de Vie on the thing. So okay, fine. And it's consistent. I think it's a very good water. I didn't have much space. And little fully I wanted is a brasserie. So I wanted a beer system. I can't have a beer system. So that system over there is the closest I get to my beer system in my brasserie. It's my water system. I mean, look at that. Listen to that. See? It's beautiful. And it looks actually exactly like if it was. And I got my sparkling, I got my thing. And the beauty of it, we play with the engineer. You can actually level the CO2 input to have more or less small bubble. And I got it to whatever I want. And I drink bucket of it. I cook all my green vegetable with sparkling water. And I use it as well for the chickpea cassoulet. It helps the flavor. It helps, there's no bitterness, I don't know, because it doesn't take everything out, but it takes everything I need to take out. So when I bite my beans, it tastes of beans. My mange tout tastes of mange tout, my broccoli, and so on. If I see green beans, they automatically go for the sparkling water. Stocks, same. We got a filtered system automatically on the stock down there. With the chlorine and everything, you got bitterness. The problem when you're not aware of it, you take it for granted. And it's not the clarity of the stock. Clarity stock has nothing to do with the water going. You put water which is not filtered, which got chlorine and everything on there, you're going to have a bitterness in your stock, and therefore in your sauce and so on. They come here for the chickpeas, they come here for the beans, all the little things. But it's automatic now. We did it at the Capitol, we do it here. I was in tears, I said in Florida when I first arrived until the system was fixed. We made a stock and we used to do the sparkling water. And you use tap water and you just don't get the same thing. That chlorine was bleaching everything. It's all very delicate flavor. And if the water is bitter, when you reduce that with a bit of cream, you got nothing. You reduce the same amount done with that filtered water and you get all the freshness of it. Sparkling, just between you and me, it was the only way I could get a drink of sparkling water myself. You can still, it's got to be filtered, okay? Sparkling, most of my recipe, if you see most of my recipe, there it's if we wish to do the escabeche, 300 gram of sparkling water, and this and that. And I don't know if it's the CO2 seen on there, and it helps keep the color and everything as well. It's been years I've been using filtered water, and I can't go for the tap. And to me, that system is fantastic because it costs me around £120 a month for how much filtered water as I want.